This is going to be a short video on first sound fluency, just specifically the scoring. I'm going to cover things we've already discussed, and I'm also going to talk about some other less common scoring things you might find yourself in. So if a student responds, if I say to the word, tell me the sounds in fish, and they say f or fa or d or da, which is the schwa sound added on, that does not count as being incorrect. So in this case, you would circle the F and that D, and they would get the full 2 points for that. So if they add that schwa sound onto it, it's okay to do that. So the words fish and drop again, student response fi or der or dra, that would be one correct response. Fi, because that's the FI in fish, and then the DR, you can see that's the schwa sounds added to consonants. Those are not counted as error. Alright, so the consonants, obviously if it's on there, you're going to give that 1 point for that. Now, if the student over here, you can see where the student says for fish and drop for drop, you're obviously going to put a slash through the 0 there for both of those scores. And then here, if they say I mean f, or drop, I mean d, if you put the slash through it quickly, you'd put a self-correct there, and then you'd circle over here. Alright, so on this next one, you can see here we have the student responds with ja and cha for drop and trap. So if they say ja for drop, that's an articulation error. For a student, it's an articulation error for them to say ja for der for that blend, or cha for tra blend. So you can give them credit for that one. That one's a little bit rarer, but you have that for those affricates and those kinds of things when they come up. And then on this one, the words are fish and drop, and the student says ish or drop. They pretty much segment it all out instead of giving you just that initial sound. And on this one, it would be, you'd give them the f sound, and then you score the der and drop. And then if they give you the response they say fish, der, drop. It's f because you got that f sound there, and then it's der, you're giving them the der for the der sound they gave. So it's 1 point. Overall, this is what the scoring will look like down here. You can see all the way down, you have different scenarios. They had ger there, slashing it, and then there's a self-correction there. And that's some special case scoring for FSF.